Okay. Is everybody ready? I don't know where I'm supposed to look at. Look here. Oh, I see right there at the green light. Alright. Alright, here we go. 3, 2, 1, go. Alright, I'm making the asparagus. While it's cooking, I'm going to be goofy. I know I'm always goofy, but whatever. It's fun. I'm going to use the garbage disposal. I'm going to put the stalks. I've made one of these before. I know, it's silly. Alright, here we go. Now if I can figure out how to flip this around. Look, right here. Okay, I really didn't figure out how to flip it around. I had to stop it. Alright, here we go. I'm going to turn the water on. I know this is silly. And then here's all the stalks right here. Alright, turn the disposal on. Oh, here it goes. This thing is so scary. I got scared and looked away. Almost all of it. Oh my God. It's kind of violent, right? I forgot what nightmares are made out of. Oh, I'm scared. Oh, don't get your hand in there, Mama. This sounds the silliest thing you ever saw. Alright, here we go. Go. Alright, that was terrifying. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Let's see. It's all on. So I'll turn that off. I'll turn that off. Okay, that was exhilarating, I must say. Pretty satisfying. Let's see. Oh, let's turn this on. And there, our asparagus is cooking. Does that look good or what? Where's my dish rag? Yeah, I grabbed that lid earlier and burnt the crap out of my pan. I won't do that again. Oh, that looks really good. Hey, I think that's done. Alright. I got another clip. I'm just really bored today making clips. And that meat it cooked the 4 hours and it's done. There it is. It's been sitting in there. I got to get that out. Okay. Alright, I'll be right back.